these are the trim pieces we've been sanding down. They had a lot of pits in them, and the paint was completely wrong for the wood grain. Anyway, I've gotten a lot of rust out between the two pieces. It is a two-piece system, so we've been going between it, and you'll see your sandpaper goes all the way into this and goes into it and through it, and you're getting rust out of the inside. So I'm going to sand it all down. We're most likely going to seam seal this little tiny breach on both sides to prevent anything coming through, and reprime. Yeah, here gives you an example, George, real quick, how much just came out of here. I mean, a lot just came out in this one little spot. That's the amount of rust. I mean, we're windy, we're outside, but this is what's blowing away constantly coming out of the inside of this. So I don't really want to undo the welds and separate it. So, but it does have quite a bit of rust between the two areas. I lost it. That's on the close.
No, let's go to the one. It's the one in Manchester off the square. It's not off the square. What's it? God damn it. What's it called?
Yeah.
Sure. Kami. Yoki is good. Whatever it's. Yeah, it's decent.
I can't get the very middle. You'll have to. Hold on, let me do this edge. Why did that turn out so good? I mean, even the line, it looks really good. That I can deal with, Gavin.
Yeah. What's that? Oh, we got that wire there.
It's alright, we're ready.
Yep.
Maybe. I don't know. If it did, oh, that's pretty cool. Almost. Let me do another coat. This one's almost.
Will we go back up with it?
Right, yeah, right like that.